Welcome to the Global Mindset University. I am your host, Ashada Rashid, and today I would like to create a button. You see here it says, your first button. So today...
But let me ask you a question here. What is button? Can you give me some example of button?
As you see, like a button, when you mostly log into websites, you click a button, log in or sign up. Okay. That's a button.
So you're going to...
When you click a button, an action starts to happen.
Okay. On-click action. Yes. All right. So I'm really happy to see. I'm really excited to see how you're gonna help us to create first button. Let's go ahead and start, Shadia.
Okay. The first thing you need to do is the mouse pressed? Buttons often change color when they're pressed. So if the user realizes they pressed something in this challenge, you'll change the code so that this button turns red when you press it. For this first step, add an if color that button red that when you press the mouse anywhere on the canvas. Over here, we will add a if statement. If mouse is pressed, then, oh, I thought you were going to type that. Okay, now I know why. Unmatch that, you'll just add the matched it. We don't need a semicolon actually. Don't forget to add a new fill command. Fill. The fill is supposed to be red. And then it should be a rectangle. So we'll just copy this. Instead of redrawing a whole new rectangle in the if, you can just change the fill. You have to make sure your if before the rect come in, like in the hint code. Okay, now I know why. We just need to delete that, and there goes that, and delete that. Okay, you see it says getting closer, keep it up. Okay, we might need a space to, separate them. And of course, it does not need a space. Actually, it does. Let's just go here. And getting closer, keep it up. But where is the mouse pressed? Look, you see every time you click on the button, it changes its color and go back to its regular page. But you see, when you click outside of it, it still presses it. Only if you click here. So what we will do, and that's what you learned in the last walkthrough, and mouse Y is less than 200. And then look, when you click it, it happens like that. And when you click outside of it, nothing happens. And that's how you do your first button.
Wow, congratulations. That's really amazing, Ashari. Great. That's how buttons work. Can you tell us, when you click, the color change, right? So yes. Can you tell us what does that mean? Like some of the function here, the variable, all those good stuffs.
The draw function, look, the draw function, it makes many more of this part. Look, every time I move the button, look what's going to happen when I move it. There's more of it. Okay. So the draw function, it draws it on top of it. That's how it is.
Then how about the if statement over here? If mouse is pressed.
If the mouse, this is the mouse. You see it moving. If the mouse is pressed and mouse Y is less than 20, then the fill will change. Now we've done your first button. Now it's time to do another one, but except it is a smarter button. It's a smarter button this time. This time it is a smarter button. Where is the mouse pressed? You see, every time you click outside of it, it still changed.